Hello viewers, what's up? I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today let's make mango falooda, an easy and delicious dessert drink with layers of various ingredients served in one glass. You will love the summery twist to classic falooda with fresh ripe mangoes. So let's make it. Add 2 sweet roughly chopped mangoes in a blender. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons sugar. Goes in 1 cup milk. Close the lid and blend it nicely and keep it in refrigerator. And all the ingredients are ready to layer. To assemble, take the chilled serving glass, add Falooda save, drizzle rose syrup on top of the save followed by chopped mangoes. And next I'm adding soaked sabza basil seeds followed by jelly. Goes in mango milkshake. And finally place 1 or 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream or mango ice cream, it's your choice. Garnish with some jelly, some chopped mangoes, and sprinkle some chopped almonds and pistachios. And now your mango falooda is ready to serve. Serve immediately to avoid the ice cream from melting and overflowing. So guys, fancy and fun look no further than the simple and easy recipe of mango falooda. Just keep all the ingredients ready and layer just before serving. I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends and follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you soon with next recipe. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.